Here are 10 SUVs known for their high maintenance costs. You might want to think twice about them before purchasing. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape is a popular compact SUV, but it's prone to engine problems. Over a decade, owners might spend around $9,100 on maintenance and repairs. Engine fixes can cost up to $3,000, and infotainment system repairs may add another $300 to $1,000. Chevrolet Blazer. The Chevrolet Blazer boasts a sleek design and modern features. However, some experts raise concerns about its safety and potential repair costs. It's essential to consider these factors when evaluating the overall cost of ownership. Ford Edge. The Ford Edge offers a comfortable ride and spacious interior. However, some owners have reported significant engine issues. In one case, a driver faced an $8,600 engine replacement shortly after purchase. Such potential problems can lead to substantial unexpected expenses. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey offers a budget-friendly entry into the SUV market. However, it's been criticized for reliability concerns. Owners may face frequent repairs, leading to higher-than-expected maintenance costs over time. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango offers a spacious interior and powerful engine options. However, maintaining this SUV can be costly. Over 10 years, owners might spend approximately $10,189 on maintenance and repairs, which is $1,309 more than the average for SUVs. There's also a 30.99% chance of a major repair during this time. Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade is a compact SUV with a distinctive design. Unfortunately, it comes with high maintenance costs. Over a decade, owners can expect to pay around $10,083, which is $1,203 more than the average for SUVs. There's also a 31.13% chance of needing a major repair during this period. Jeep Wrangler. The iconic Jeep Wrangler offers rugged off-road capabilities, but this comes at a cost. Maintenance and repairs over 10 years average around $10,662. Common issues include water pump replacements costing about $700 and oil leak repairs that can run up to $1,000. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a favorite among SUV enthusiasts, but it comes with a hefty price tag for maintenance and repairs. Over the first decade, owners can expect to shell out approximately $10,872, which is $2,622 more than the average for SUVs. Land Rover Range Rover. The Land Rover Range Rover is synonymous with luxury and off-road prowess. However, it's notorious for high repair costs and frequent mechanical issues. Owners often report premature brake wear, water leaks, and suspension system problems. These issues can lead to substantial repair bills over time. BMW X6M. The BMW X6M is a luxury SUV that combines performance and style. However, this comes at a significant cost. Over a decade, owners can expect to pay approximately $18,000 in maintenance and repair costs, making it one of the most expensive SUVs to maintain.